Anniversary of the city. Once again, make some noise. Big box battle ni siya. Ormok versus Maasin. MC, big boxer to my right, introduce yourself.
Hey, my name is Dixbox, OUP.
Big boxer to my left, introduce yourself.
Represent the box all the way from Maasin, OUP, Siguri, Big Boxers, and Lady Big Box.
Ang muna na ito is this box from Ormok City. When I said 3, 2, 1, you say beatbox. Okay guys, 3, 2, 1, beatbox!
Everybody put your hands in the air. Everybody know my name, Bobo. I know my friend, Bobo. So you need Bobo. So you need Bobo. Everybody know my name, Bobo. I know my friend, Bobo. So you need Bobo. So you need Bobo. For you, 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 and now you know my place. Level 2. Take my time. Gibson. Dapat utak mo ng men bago ang damdamin. Dapat utak mo ng men bago ang damdamin. Dapat utak mo ng men bago ang damdamin. Dapat utak mo ng men.
Jake is gonna watch once again, make some noise para nilang doa. Almost versus Massive, next box versus Reds is empty box. We got linear nga doa, but we need to pick a winner. So, kamuya mo ba decide on, guys? Everybody make some noise for Reds! Make some noise for next box!
Patay, ituray! Ito! Puro na ba? Litin na mo, litin na mo.
Di lang na mag one more, kaya natin oras gapas. Murag listen ni Pilihan. So, ang ako na lang decide as organizer. May abot tayo. Daog sila gawa ito pakpakan. Listen kay Pilihan eh. Listen kay Pilihan. Daog gawa. So,